I wanted something spicy, something sweet, something with a serious crunch. That's how my Caribbean salad was born, and trust me, it hits every craving. Packed with jerk chicken heat, mango magic, plantain crunch. You're not ready for this flavor bomb.
Wow, what a wonderful salad. Ooh, that dressing's money. That's a jerk. Super tender. Celebration in my mouth. The jerk is amazingly delicious. But I just want to eat the salad. It's so good and refreshing. The plantain chips, that hint of mango in here, the cucumber, oh, whoa, whoa. This is so good. I'd love for you to try it. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're making
Caribbean salad.
I'm calling it
Caribbean salad.
because we're gonna have the taste of the tropics in here. We're gonna have the plantain chips, the sweet, as well as the green ones that are crushed up, some mangoes. So that's the island feel to that. And we're also gonna have jerk chicken in our salad. So definitely, Jamaica. So here, I'm gonna tell you, we're gonna chop up our romaine lettuce, our cucumbers, our bell peppers are already cut up, our mangoes are already cut up, and our carrots are chopped up. So our jerk chicken is cooked for our salad. So I came up with this idea of the salad because it's
With the climate situation going on, it's super hot.
so we need something to kind of like cool us down a little bit and also healthy and delicious. So what, not a better thing than a salad, So I'm cutting my cucumbers, and cucumbers are like a natural diuretic. I actually try to drink cucumber and lemons every day. I know now they have cucumber aid, a form of type of lemonade. But I try to put lemon with my cucumber water. It's a great, refreshing tasting water, especially in the summertime. It helps with, some inflammation as well.
Here's our vitamin content.
You definitely want to try to incorporate cucumbers in your diet. Romaine lettuce, although it's more greener than iceberg, it does have, obviously it is water based, and so it helps cool you down as well. And my carrots are already all cut up as well. And then my bell peppers, I'm gonna kind of incorporate all of that, and then we're gonna get to mixing it. Chop up my romaine lettuce in here. Oh, let me add my corn while I'm at it. Add my corn. Now I am gonna add a little bit of a tiny bit of bell peppers and Himalayan salt once I have everything in here incorporated. A little bit of my mango that's cubed up, and let's start to cut up our lettuce. Put that in here.
Here are a list of ingredients.
Oh, look at this. Look at those mangoes. Ooh, yes. Mangoes. Look at that red from the bell peppers. And the cucumber as a refreshing agent. The carrots, the orange from the carrots. Make sure this is fully coated. Then we're gonna put our chicken and our garnishment. So here's a little bit of black pepper that I said I would add to this. And a little bit of Himalayan salt. I'm gonna toss it. And I've already cut up my jerk. So I made a dressing for my salad, and all it is some mayo and some honey mustard, as well as some maple syrup and the Walkerswood Jerk Seasoning. I call this marinade because it's all like paste-like, so it's really good to kind of like let it seep in through your meats and your vegetables. So I have some of this, and I have some cut up mango pieces as well, and some white wine as my acid, since vinegar and I are not friends. So this will be my dressing, and you see it kind of looks, it looks jerkish, like, you see all the seasonings in it, and it looks grayish, beigeish, taupish kind of color, and you see all the little speckles in there. That's the seasoning from the jerk. Okay, so here is our wonderful salad. Can't wait. Let me add some dressing to this. Get the freshness and the tropics all at one. Ooh. Ooh. That dressing's money. Let me tell you something. If you weren't a salad eater, you'd want to be today. Taste the jerk. Super tender. Celebration in my mouth. Oh my gosh, this is so good. The jerk is amazingly delicious. But I just want to eat the salad. It's so good and refreshing. Oh my gosh. The plantain chips. That hint of mango in here. That cucumber. Oh, whoa, whoa. Listen, if you're someone who loves Jamaican food, or you just like a little spice in your life, pick yourself up some of that Walker seasoning. Add it to your veggies, your fish, your chicken, to anything. And if you just want to cool down with all this heat out there, make yourself a wonderful
Caribbean salad.
This is so good. I'd love for you to try it. On that note, I thank you for hanging out with me and eating virtually and visually. And I'm going to ask you to comment below and let me know what kind of salads you do like. Listen, if you're new to this channel, welcome, welcome. Click the like button, please. And hit the bell notification so you know every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate your time. And I will see you in my next video. And do not forget, health is wealth, and be good to yourself. Mwah.